Fundamental of Welding Science and Technology. We offer a course on Fundamental of Welding Science and Technology under the MOOCs program of the MHRD. As the name implies, in this course we will try to cover the fundamental overview of the traditional, industrial welding technology, especially those welding processes which are widely used in manufacturing industries. This welding science course will help the participants to understand and apply this knowledge of welding in practice for various industrial applications. It will also encourage academic participants to increase the research interest in the field of welding. Welding is a joining process that is an unavoidable technology in most of the manufacturing sector. It is such a topic in which you will get the taste of most of the science and engineering subjects. Knowledge of almost all science subjects like physics, chemistry, mathematics, and engineering subjects like solid mechanics, thermal science, fluid mechanics, etc. is highly essential to understand the area of welding technology. It is observed that in the manufacturing industry over 30% of expenditure is spent on welding. Welding has significant application in various manufacturing sectors like aerospace, automobile, shipbuilding, railway, etc. It plays a very important and crucial role in the service life of the structure. That's why basic fundamental knowledge of welding is highly essential. A brief overview of the course content can be stated like, this course will cover the classification of the welding process, classification of welding joints, industrial relevance of welding, welding symbols, characteristics of traditional welding power sources. It will give the fundamental knowledge of principle and physics involved in various welding processes. It will also cover the importance and applications of different traditional welding techniques. This welding science course will highlight safety precautions to be followed in welding. This course will also cover welding defects and inspection and their remedies to improve the weld quality.